CopySmith Pro iPricing explained what you get for your money. CopySmith Pro isn't just an iWriting tool. Most people get this wrong. The Pro plan is built to help businesses generate marketing copy, product descriptions, ads, and long-form content efficiently while maintaining quality. Pricing starts at per month for the Pro plan. It includes unlimited content generation, long-form writing, advanced templates, SEO optimization, and plagiarism checks. You also get priority support and team collaboration tools for managing multiple users. The surprising truth is that CopySmith Pro goes beyond simple writing. For example, it can generate dozens of ad variations in minutes or create full blog posts optimized for search engines, saving significant time for marketing teams. Collaboration is seamless, allowing teams to manage projects, review drafts, and assign tasks directly within the platform. Integrations with Shopify, WordPress, and Google Docs make publishing fast and easy. In conclusion, CopySmith Pro iPricing provides a powerful, versatile content solution. If your goal is to produce high-quality marketing materials, scale content creation, and streamline team workflows, CopySmith Pro isn't just it's your automated content powerhouse.